Starting February 16th, 2026, Ontario is making an important change for new home construction. If your project falls under the New Home Construction Licensing Act, provincial building permit applications to construct or demolish will now require a valid HCRA license number. What does this mean? If you're a builder or seller, you need to be licensed with the Home Construction Regulatory Authority. If you're a homeowner hiring a builder, you can verify their licensing status using the Ontario Builder Directory. And if you're a mortgage or real estate professional, this is something to keep in mind when navigating transactions. If you have questions about construction financing, feel free to reach out to us at DV Capital to learn more about our construction financing program.